The 5 sections of an insurance policy. Every insurance policy is a collection of provisions. These provisions state what is and is not covered by the policy, list which types of losses the policy covers, defines key words within the policy, outlines how much the insurer will pay in the event of a covered loss, and explains what duties both the insurer and the insured have under the policy. Here is an overview of the 5 sections of an insurance policy. The Declarations page. The Declarations page, also called a deck page, is typically the first page or pages of an insurance policy. It summarizes key information specific to the policy. This information may include the insured's name and address, the policy dates, a brief description of the business, the types of coverage being provided, associated coverage limits and premium details, and the forms applicable to the policy. Policy definitions. A policy contains many common words that have specific meanings within the context of insurance. The policy usually identifies these words with bold print or quotation marks and includes a dedicated section that clearly defines such words. Since policy definitions may restrict or limit coverage, it is essential to read this information carefully and seek clarification if any definition is unclear. The insuring agreements. The insuring agreements specify what the insurer has agreed to pay for or provide in exchange for a policy's premium. The policy generally contains a designated section for insuring agreements, although there may be additional agreements included elsewhere in the policy. Also, the policy may call an insuring agreement a type of coverage. In some cases, the policy may include more than one form of coverage. Policy conditions. Conditions within an insurance policy qualify the various promises made by the insurer to the insured. The insurer does not promise to cover all losses. Rather, the insurer will impose certain requirements or conditions on the insured, such as premium payments or duties to follow after a loss. If these obligations are not met, the insurer can void the policy or otherwise restrict coverage. Policy exclusions. Every insurance policy has exclusions or provisions that eliminate coverage for specified exposures. Exclusions clarify the types of coverage granted by the policy. The policy usually contains a dedicated section for exclusions. It can be difficult to fully comprehend what certain policy provisions mean. Insurance advisors, such as agents and brokers, play a key role in helping policyholders better understand their coverage.